TheFamilyNeed.com presents the best budget air fryers of the recent times. Follow the link in the description to read the full article. In our list, number 1 is AMAGARM Compact Air Fryer. Sleek design and trendy color options will accent any kitchen space. Fast and easy way to cook your favorite meals and snacks. Enjoy crispy French fries and all your favorite fried foods without the guilt. 30-minute auto shut-off timer. Fully enclosed basket ensures consistent heating for consistently crispy results. One-button intelligent control without setting time and temperature. Self-contained basket keeps the heat circulating to cook foods fast and evenly. It weighs half the weight of a standard fryer. Dishwasher-safe parts are easy to clean. It includes with easy-to-follow cookbook and recipe guide. Number 2. Willsence Air Fryer. Cool features with a very affordable price. 60 degrees Celsius to 205 degrees Celsius temperature range. LED display. Big screen and one-touch cooking. 360-degree heat circulation technology cooks the food perfectly without oil or fat. 8-in-1 function includes presets such as preheat, frozen fries, steak, drumsticks, shrimp, meat, fish and cupcakes function. Reinforced fan ensures uniform cooking and creates a crispy layer. Detachable basket with a cool handle. No more unwanted burning smell. It includes non-stick, dishwasher-safe, and BPA-free parts. Number 3. Chefman Digital Air Fryer. Latest and advanced rapid air technology. 175° Fahrenheit to 400° Fahrenheit temperature range. CETL approved with advanced safety technology. Long-lasting durability. It uses 98% less oil than traditional fryers. It has timer and auto shut-off function. Space-saving flat basket innovation increases capacity by 40% without adding to the footprint. Enjoy the dishwasher-safe parts for easy cleaning. Number 4. GoWISE USA Air Fryer. 12.7 quarts large cooking space. It includes with rotisserie option that allows you to prepare whole roasts, tenderloins, racks of kebabs, and even a whole chicken. It comes with 10 accessories. Easy to read, simple to use controlled display. 15 presets give you full control over cooking time and temperature. It includes a recipe book with 50 step-by-step recipes. Number 5. Instant Vortex Pro Air Fryer. Large 10-quart capacity. Stainless steel exterior is fully fingerprint resistant. 14 simple touch controls, and displays smart programs, cooking settings amp, cooking cues. 9 built-in smart programs. Air fry, roast, broil, bake, toast, reheat, proof, dehydrate, and rotisserie. One-step even crisp technology allows you to achieve a crispy outside and tender inside. Overheat protection reduces the risk of burning food. Includes 2 air fry trays, air fry basket and rotisserie spit and forks. Enjoy easy cleaning with the dishwasher-safe parts. Want to read the full review? Follow the link in the description. Thanks for watching. TheFamilyNeed.com. Your need, our deed.